ABC6 weather with meteorologist Tyler Hughes. Brought to you by the Preserve Sporting Club and Resort.
Well, good Thursday morning. We're looking at a dry day today, but then tomorrow we do have a chance for some rain that arrives in the forecast, and it really is much needed rain. In fact, we've only had 6 days where we got any rain at all so far this month at TF Green. And so when you do the math, that means 21 completely dry days this August. And so as you can imagine, with a calendar looking like this, we are well below average in terms of rain so far this month and this season as well. Meteorological summer starts June 1st. And so since June 1st, we're close to 2 inches below average of rainfall in Providence. We're in an abnormally dry status, even a moderate drought status as you get out toward the Cape. And look off to our north, places like Worcester, Boston, close to 5 inches below normal so far this season. And even Manchester, New Hampshire is over 5 inches below normal in terms of rainfall. So we really do need some rain, and it looks like we're going to get at least a little bit as we head into the day tomorrow. All right, this morning, though, temperatures are a bit chilly out the door. 47 right now, Smithfield through New Bedford. We're at 45 in Taunton, even 42 in Norwood. We'll see if they dip into the upper 30s here in the next few hours. I think they'll just barely squeak it out, maybe. 53 in Providence right now, 57 North Kingstown. So I expect temperatures to climb into the middle 70s this afternoon, at least inland. Lots of sunshine around this morning, then a few clouds fill in later on this afternoon. It'll be in the lower 70s along the coast with a sea breeze that works in, but still very comfortable with low humidity, just like we've had the last couple of days. Now this evening, low temperatures will be in the upper 50s, so a bit warmer than we had overnight or this morning. Rather, with mostly cloudy skies around, a light wind out of the south and west. And that's ahead of our next disturbance that arrives tomorrow, bringing some of that rain. So I want to step you through the timeline here. Notice a few scattered showers in the morning. I don't think these will be widespread, and I don't think these will be heavy either. A sprinkle here, a sprinkle there, through about lunchtime or so. But then we have the front itself that begins to move through later in the afternoon and early in the evening. This will spark off some downpours, maybe even a few rumbles of thunder and some storms. Those will push out by 8, 9, 10 o'clock or so, and will begin to clear things out back behind that front. So in terms of the risks with the storms tomorrow, I think the risk of any flooding or hail is relatively low, but some gusty winds and some thunder and lightning not out of the question here. So it wouldn't be considered severe, but still could be enough to affect your late afternoon and early evening plans. So do keep that in mind if you have anything scheduled for later on tomorrow afternoon and evening. So in terms of how much we get, not a whole lot, up to ½ inch of rain, if not more. But again, we really do need all the drops we can get. And so it does look like we'll get just a little bit out of that as well. But once we clear out, Labor Day weekend looking really nice, folks. Lots of sunshine around. Temperatures in the lower 70s on Saturday. But then by the time we get to Labor Day itself, we're in the upper 70s. And if you have any plans, you should be A-OK all through the holiday weekend. And we remain in the 70s all the way through the 7-day forecast. That's just below the average high for this time of year, which is squarely at the 80-degree mark. Cara?
Tyler, thank you.